Okay, this is, I think, the first of many videos you'll be seeing. We have a sort of a new, let's call this breath of fresh air to New York Computer Hall. We're going to have a second location, which is 62nd and Lex. We've actually been working on this for the last couple of months, and construction was due to be ready October 1st, but it's probably going to be more likely like mid-October or so. So this is the place. Mailboxes, it's quasi-residential, quasi-commercial. So you could see here. And
like it's hard, you know, like on Saturdays or Sundays, let's get together. It's hard. I can't just like walk over and like meet.
pretty good foot traffic. Everyone's out and about. Of course, I take a video that there's not a lot of traffic. All right. Got the pharmacy over here. We'll have a sign up here. All right, and this is going to be 806 Lexington, 3rd floor. The required stairwell. Very curious who our neighbors are. But yeah, there's been a lot of demand for going to the Upper East Side. So we wanted to come out here and basically show our presence. You know, in the city, it's all about convenience. So those people on the Upper East Side, you know, I understand if they don't want to come to 34th and Park. So we're coming out here to give it a whirl and try to get a repair center here because, quite honestly, we just have a lot of boxes that we can't move on 34th. We have a lot of mail-ins and a lot of bulk repairs right now, which is good, but at the same time, you know, we can't move. So we're coming out here and yeah, I'm sharing this by video, you know, to basically introduce 62nd. We're very excited. And right now I'm waiting for the cable guy to come because without internet we have nothing. So yeah, I'm downstairs here waiting for him. And yeah, we'll see you next time.